雪花飘飘，北风萧萧，天地一片苍茫。
Okay, let's start recording.
Good morning.
It's afternoon, okay?
Okay, anyways. I
Today's
just
topic is about food because we don't have any topics to talk about.
I just bribed Hershey into filling my bottle for me to record.
He's filled it up.
A little
I
bit.
filled half. Okay, starting with Kedar. We'll ask him what his favorite food is.
Okay, if I had to choose,
Chinese food.
it would be some very good home cooked palak like only palak curry and very hot rice with ghee and lemon. Some is interrupting.
You can't say fucker in that oiled up hair. Beep when
Yes, he doesn't wash his hair.
he oils it.
Guys, I have an honest question regarding food. Don't you guys find the daily South Indian food kind of boring? Maud kai pappu, sorakai kura.
Yeah, it's coming from a person who brings red sauce pasta every day with a special sauce that he
At home makes manufactures every single day.
he creates a special sauce every day from his body and
Hershey might do that. I don't do all of that.
you said it yesterday, bro.
Hershey has
Stop screaming into the phone.
Hershey has a special liking for white sauce. Now only you, the audience, will be able to determine what type of white sauce it is.
Sure, bro.
Tell us your guess in the comments.
Unfunny person.
What is your favorite Hershey?
My favorite food is whatever is eatable and does not taste disgusting.
What do you guys think about Mediterranean salads with hummus?
Hey, no one knows what that is, bro.
Hey bro, what country you live in da? Oh, how much per kebab in your garbage country? Mein?
1 rupee per kebab.
Your mom free. Anyways,
Moving on to size.
Saish, what is your favorite?
Annam pappu.
You
What
got
is
to
that?
go in more
Describe your
detail, bro.
Do you like uttapappu charu?
It's not Muddapappu Charu, it's Muddapappu Pachpulsu.
Uttapappu charu.
What is Uttapappu, bro?
Uttapappu, same thing. I call it uttapappu.
You eat it with Pachpulsu, not? You know what Pachpulsu is?
I don't know what you mean by
Bro, you use Andhra Telugu, he uses Telangana Telugu.
He uses Kammam Telugu, bro. What do you mean? It's
Are you Andhra Telugu?
Anyways, Karthik, what is your favorite?
I don't know, bro. It's mixed shit. I don't know.
He's giving a very uncanny smile right now.
The masculine nurse say, Teri mummy.
Bro,
You can't say that on the podcast.
Okay,
Krishna River.
I will
I've never
eat
been there. It's another thing.
food.
he's a fat bro, fat.
Okay, my
If I reveal your previous photos that I have,
stop right there.
Guys, on a serious note,
Stop right there.
can everybody tell their opinions on processed food that you find in supermarkets?
Okay, bro, we
No
don't
one
want
cares.
your philosophical thoughts here. Back off.
processed food is very yummy.
Yes, processed food is
Do
yummy.
you like brownie cake every day?
I love going to the
brownie
supermarket
cake
and
I eat it
buying.
every day.
Processed cement in the form of grated cheese. Anyways, what more is there to talk about food?
Monopoly.
Monopoly and food related.
I won yesterday.
What? Yes, basically these three guys are addicted to Monopoly.
Okay, I'll tell how people eat food here. There's Kedar. He has never tasted flavor in his life. Marathi food. Bro, I have seen desserts rather than his food. He'll eat anything and everything. Abram eats his special sauce pasta every single day. Red color somehow. Then there's Drone.
I have a question.
He eats his lunchbox in snacks and he proceeds to eat everyone else's lunches
What is
during
Marathi
lunch.
cuisine? Does Maharashtra
Lizards.
Except Modak and stuff, what does Maharashtra have specially?
And there's Saish. He eats papayas every day.
Everyday food, what do you guys
Nothing but papayas.
I haven't seen
Roti and some shitty curry, that's it. What do you guys eat?
You're talking as if Andhra has some 5-star cuisine for every day.
We have chicken dum biryani, bro. You don't have chicken
You don't
dum
eat
biryani.
that every day, bro.
I eat that every single day. bro.
Raghavendra veg, pure veg.
Guntur chilli, bro.
Huh?
Come to
Different
Kakinada. Let's eat.
Are you eating Guntur chilli, bro? What did you say?
Let's go eat Subbaiya and Kakinada, authentic Andhra cuisine.
This is not Hyderabad, bro.
Well, what were we talking about? I forgot.
Monopoly.
No, we were not talking about that.
Monopoly.
Just because you don't play means you don't. Why don't you start?
A cumulative people of 3, bro.
That's
Also, guys, we started our own YPT group. Join
Out
to
of
cope.
17 million other.
So you can see how many hours we study a day and get demotivated as hell, and eventually give up
how we will crack
on
MSET.
JE, and then again give up on life.
They leave the timer on overnight, by the way.
Hey, we don't.
Why are you guys so obsessed with JE? Other options exist.
Okay, yes, bro.
Yeah,
Other
like
options.
killing ourselves.
Rope pe latka.
Go to the US, write your recipes.
Do you think
Yeah, bro, अंडे पापा देंगे ना हम सबके fees.
$30 million?
30 crore के fees
Why
आप
do you
देगा
act
क्या?
like you're poor? Your father would actually must have like good
Bro,
amount
you
of
can't
savings.
afford SET.
No, bro.
Do you think he will pour it in some hi-fi,
4 years
college
of college.
to get 30 rupees salary per month?
Okay, return on investment matters, but still.
Look, bro. IIT or nothing.
Bro, you don't get
Okay, Abhiram.
IIT or nothing.
Other than
Bombay or
your
nothing.
so-called SATs, what other option do you have other than
I'll
SAT?
join Indian Air Force.
Wow.
I'll reverse my side.
You're learning MPC and do that NDA exam, nice, bro. MPCC के NDA exam लाए लगेगा.
Fucking exam is easy.
Yeah, easy.
Okay, bro. Okay, wow.
You're not able to solve one math question here.
I can solve CBSE level math problems in seconds. That doesn't matter.
Okay, as you can tell, guys,
He asked me
Abhiram.
easy NCERT.
Abhiram is delusional as hell.
When I told Abhiram yesterday that JEE Mains is easier than JEE Advanced, he wouldn't believe me. But he thinks.
He does.
But he
Mains
thinks.
is easier than advanced.
Hey, let him-
Mains is always easier than advanced.
But it believes that
mains is
NDA
not
exam
as
is very
as
easy.
She described it.
But he thinks that they give CBSE 10th class questions in NDA.
No, bro. Do you know who writes
NDA is easy, bro. Fucking I solve the papers on my own, bro. Fucking.
Ah, okay, bro.
I got.
Why are you cursing every other sentence?
Adat, bro. Adat.
We'll have to cut each one of those out.
Oh, I'm sorry. Bro, wait. I think other
better.
YouTubers don't swear. Why are we only supposed to cut it out?
They have
No
money.
YouTuber says fucking after every sentence. No podcast.
I think the time is up.
We'll 5 more minutes.
Before demonetize, never mind. If we talk about it, we will get banned.
Abhiram, NDA is not easy, bro. NDA exam is not easy.
The exam is actually easy, bro. I can easily solve NCERT level problems.
Abhiram can easily get into NDA, but the problem is
Okay, shit. Oh, my bad. Gotta cut that out. Gotta cut that out. Gotta cut that
Physical
out.
and maybe okay. Maybe that is if he
mentally
doesn't,
is physically and mentally downgraded.
and maybe he after not getting a problem he starts scrolling reels for 20 hours.
And he starts squeezing his. Okay, can I say that?
I don't do that. Shiva, I don't. Listen, thank you for your demotivation, Karthik. I also know stories in NDA.
Okay, there is difference.
Let me talk.
Hey, your opinion does not matter.
I also-
You're on second dustbin. Shut up.
I don't care. I also know stories in NDA where the instructor literally like broke the ear of a student pilot for keeping the wrong switch up. But I don't care.
Such a daredevil, Abhiram. You're ready to get your ear broken.
Okay,
I won't. I keep the right switch up, so don't happen.
as I'm saying,
Maybe you have to get in for that.
After keeping the wrong switch, he'll start scrolling reels.
there is a difference.
I'll score reels in Fighter Jet. I'll have internet in Fighter Jet.
why is he getting so mad? Why is he getting so angry, bro?
There's a difference between demotivating someone and you being delusional as well. I remember this. She used to be like, anyone can go to MIT. I'll go IIT Bombay CSE. Easy. Anyone can go to IIT Bombay CSE.
Yeah, if you have money, you can go to MIT, bro. His father made money, you go to MIT.
Very like stupid, bro. Actually.
Only Harvard.
And yes, bro. MIT in the sense, Massachusetts Institute of Technology, not Manipal Institute of Technology.
Bro, I mean MIT like this SAT is not that hard.
Bro, SATs won't you do.
Bro, you're like.
Listen me complete. Let me finish. No.
Okay, let him.
Okay,
If you
let
get a
it
good score in MIT, then of course.
MIT.
MIT,
No,
yeah.
in SAT.
Okay.
How much is a good score?
You listen.
16,
Wait.
16, 70 maybe.
Listen. Then you have to like write a good recommendation letter, and this guy looks like an all-rounder, so he might make it. So
Have you ever seen the resumes of people who get rejected by MIT, get rejected by Yale, get rejected by Illinois, some random ass Ivy?
as a friend, I have faith in this guy that this guy can prove himself worthy to MIT.
Still, all the extracurriculars he has, bro.
You've not ever stepped a foot in,
Okay.
their college and
Like,
recruiting
imagine-
faculty.
Take Virginia Tech as example. Have you ever seen the people who get rejected by Virginia Tech? The resumes, Virginia, that's like bottom tier college, bro.
VIT.
Yeah, VIT. Have you seen the resumes, bro? It starts here, it ends here, bro. Okay, people can't see it, but it's very big.
So then, do you think we will be? Okay, I can't solve advanced. If you can solve advanced, good for you. I can't solve advanced. What do I do?
Kill yourself. Sorry.
You are right. I mean, come on, bro. Best advice you gave, bro. Thank you, Karthik.
Or maybe stop
Scrolling reels after you don't get one problem.
Bro, even if I stop scrolling reels, I can't get it doesn't matter.
The problem with Abhiram is
He's
he wants to
delusional.
make it,
But zero
apparently when he tries to solve a problem and he does not get it, he leaves it and he starts scrolling reels. He openly said that, and now he's denying the fact when we bring it out on the podcast.
Listen, even if I don't scroll reels, the problem I can't solve the problem, right?
Maybe you'll get a break from the dopamine hits
No,
that
look.
you're getting.
You will not be able to solve problems just right after you listen to you. Hey, walk now.
You keep watching shorts every two problems, bro. You
Guys,
can't solve.
Imagine, listen, there are many instances, like many days where I didn't scroll also. Even in those days, if I don't get a problem, I try solving it. I just like spend 2 hours just sitting in my desk, sitting on my chair in front of my desk. That's it. 2 hours, I just like try solving the problem.
What?
Nothing goes
Squeezing it,
forward.
Okay. I'm sorry.
I never squeezed it. I'm being honest. I just sit there and the problem doesn't get completed, and I just fall asleep at that point. I
Skip
get
the
so
problem, bro.
You remove your
No,
specs.
Wait. Skip
no, the
the.
next problem is also as hard as that. I can't even get next
Read
problem.
your classwork. Open the classwork. Read the
I'll give
concept.
you an advice. Topper.com. Start doing that.
The time is
Okay.
Anyways, the time is up, guys.
Bye. Subscribe,
Bye.
please.
Subscribe.
We kept a very cool
They'll finally
intro
feed
song
me after
on the last
finally-
episode. I'm gonna keep that song again. Comment your recommendations.
Bye.